Hi there, welcome to Mr. Gadget channel. In today's video I will show you how to snap windows in macOS like you can in Windows 11. Let's check how it works in Windows 11. You can snap window from left side or right side, or choose from options here. You can add more windows. Now let's take a look how we can make it work in macOS. Now we are in macOS. You cannot snap windows from left or right. You don't have any options from above. To make it possible, you need to install application. It's called Rectangle. Now open link from description and download the Rectangle application. Open installation file and install it. Now you can open application. Once you successfully install and run Rectangle application, you should see a new icon in upper bar. Click on it and go to Settings. Here on first tab you can see all possible combinations for snapping. You can click on right arrow to expand and you will see more combinations. Each snap combination also has keyboard shortcut which you can set. On second tab you have some options and desktop snaps. All corners, right and left side, upper and bottom. On the last tab you have more options like launch on login or hide menu bar icon. Now let's check how it works. You can close this window. So basic snaps are all four corners, right and left side, upper for maximize, bottom for middle. You can also snap active windows from application icon. Just click on it and choose which snap you want. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.